Welcome to Mathophysics Academy. We are going to discuss today on environmental variation. That is a part of biology. And first of all, I want to inform clearly that the text and picture, what it is given here, the whole credit goes to the author and creator. It is not created by me. I have just taken it from the book, from the IGCSE book for educational purpose and for reference purpose, and it is not for any financial gains. That I want to inform. Now let us see. We will read and understand. This particular chapter is on environmental variation. A part of environmental variation we will be discussing today, and we will come to know that what actually is called environmental variation. Right, like you can see here in this photo, a monster pumpkin is shown. Monster pumpkin, right? So the monster pumpkin in photo A did not get this much big by chance. Simply it has not grown to such a bigger level. There are many factors behind it to make it much more bigger, right? So even you can see the plants were carefully looked after and given all the resources they needed, including additional light, water, warmth and mineral salts. Okay, so the plants are given all kind of resources which they need for their growth. Like they need light, they need water, they need sunlight, warmth and mineral salts. Okay, so an organism's surroundings are its environment, right? We all live in an environment surrounding to us. Means whether it is sunlight, whether it is raining, season, and plants, trees, all these are coming under the category of environment. So we live in environment. In all environments there are environmental factors. Even we human beings are being affected with these environmental factors which can change the organism, right? That can change the organism. There are abiotic factors or physical environment, we can say. There are, which are the factors are there in environment? Two types of factors are there. One is called abiotic factors, abiotic factors. Okay, and these abiotic factors are also called as physical environment. Example: light, amount of light, temperature, right? Okay, there are also biotic factors. Which factors? Biotic factors. So B-I-O-T-I-C, biotic factors. So there are biotic factors are there which also assist in our development. Compulsorily they are playing a major role in the development of an organism. Okay, like competitions, okay, predation, infectious diseases. So these all are biological factors. Biological factors are called biotic factors and physical factors are called abiotic factors. So our own characteristics, the features of an organism are its characteristics. What is characteristic? Characteristics is the feature of an organism. Feature of an organism, like suppose an organism is taller, thin, in size, eyes variations, hands, legs, all these are called features. One is able to walk, one is not able to walk. The trees are static at one place, whereas the animals are able to move from one place to another. So these are all called features. These are features of an organism and are called characteristics. So the differences between the characteristics of organisms are known as variation. Yes, now the important point has come, that what? The differences between the characteristics of organisms are known as variation. Understood? What actually is the variation? Variation is the difference between the features of an organism, characteristics of an organism, and it is caused by our surrounding. It is caused environmental variation. So this environmental variation is caused by the organism's environment. So in the environment in which organism is living, making some changes, is making changes in the features of the organism, and that is called environmental variations. In human, like examples of environmental variation includes scars and hairstyles, right? Scars and hairstyles. Like scars. Scars are made by physical environmental factors, like such as fire or sharp object, any injury, any cut to an individual, right, by a sharp object. That is physical factors. Okay. But hairstyles, an environmental factor. Hairstyles which people they are following, different people are having different hairstyles. It is an environmental factor. You know that some persons they are having round shaped or curly hairs. Some are having straight hairs. So these all are due to environmental factor which are affecting the features of the organism. Right? Okay. So in this text, in today's video, we came to know that what actually is called environmental variations, what is an environment, and what are the two factors which are affecting the features of an organism. That is abiotic factors, which is physical environment, and biotic factors, which are biological environment. In next video, we will be discussing more on this environmental variation part, right? So thank you. If you have liked, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.